This week, Ellie and I went to the thrift store. I found a bunch of things that are slightly weird and a little bit quirky. We flipped some of them, we decorated my bedroom, and we have a lot of other fun things coming up. I also tried using my new stencil on a pair of overalls, so come with us as we go to the thrift store and we decorate. Big question is, will the paint wash out? I have never painted on fabric. I really like doll heads.
Hey Trisha, are we gonna find a home for you?
Ellie and I went to 3 thrift stores this week and we came up with some really unique projects. I also went to the beauty supply with my sister and we started the week off by going to church. There you are. What are you doing? Ellie's making keto bark. It's yogurt, strawberries, stevia. You put them in the freezer and then you drizzle keto chocolate on it. What are these, Danielle?
Bacon pancakes?
Bacon. There's bacon inside there, you guys.
Like this one.
Oh, wow. They look good. Grandpa, what do you think?
You gotta eat them fast so they melt in your hand.
Oh no.
Wow. Last week I found these weird mannequin faces at the thrift store. I was determined to turn them into something, but it wasn't that easy. Oh my gosh, have you got some work done?
Yeah.
You look like Trisha Paytas.
It is Tuesday and we're bringing the heads to go to Home Goods to find some vases for them. I gotta move my car because I'm parked right behind Debi.
I'm going on my 4th pot roast.
No, we're going to Home Goods. Okay.
Hi! I was thinking I could turn them into a head vase or a wall vase, or they could hold paintbrushes. I just wasn't really sure what to do. We took the mannequin faces with us into every store. We went into several stores and we got some very interesting looks and some comments as well.
Not find any wall hangers.
You think it would be easy?
The second stop was the thrift store right across the street from Home Goods, and that was just a complete fail.
So what are we gonna do now? Is that it?
I have no idea.
We go on Amazon? This is why Zeb and Jamie do this and not us.
Yeah, we did not find anything.
I really love Trisha a lot.
Okay, now we are at the third place. Hey Trisha, are we gonna find a home for you? The third stop was Consignment Classics, and at first Debbie thought maybe baskets would work for this project. Then I found this wall hanging piece and Debbie just did not like it, so we had to move on to the 4th store.
Am I picky, Ellie?
Yeah, you're so picky. Let's go see.
This sofa coming up, I have had my eye on, but it's $500. I want to paint it. Velvet Sofa Painting 2.0. I'm waiting for the price to drop first. I got a ton of stuff while I was out thrifting. Ellie and I think we went to 3 thrift stores yesterday looking for the perfect thing for those mannequin faces. I finally found them at Michael's this morning. They're over there drying. I cannot wait. I think they're going to be so cool. I also got this, if you remember it from last week's video. I just kind of like the creepy but not too creepy. I think there's a term for it. It's called dark academia. It's trending right now. Dark academia. Ellie, Google it if you don't believe me.
Dark what?
They're happy little people, but they're, you know, just dark and moody. She's really cute. I like old doll heads.
Did you just say that doll head was cute?
An old video from back in the very beginning, I made ice cream cone ornaments with little doll heads on the top. They were so cute. I got mixed reviews on that video. Some people loved them. I sold them in my shop. Other people did not like them. I really like doll heads. Certain doll heads. Some are very creepy looking. To me, she's just cute. He's here bringing glue. I hope that's the right kind. I think that's what Jamie told me.
I'm going down to the garage to borrow tools.
Michael, we're gonna look for your saw. Got some snips.
These are more than snips. Oh, they're so dull.
It, but he just bent it back and broke it off, so that's good. Watch this. Oh, wow. You have a gift for you. I got you the promised land.
What is it?
It's your homeland.
I already have a calendar.
Look how beautiful
Oh,
that
that's
is.
actually
It totally
really
looks
pretty.
like you. Made in Israel, handmade with love. Okay.
so you can control it better.
He's putting the glue in. He's guessing where it's gonna hit. It smells like kangaroo poop. That's what he said. He said he can add more glue after we get it placed correctly.
That's where it's touching.
Okay.
Once it gets set, then you can fill it in.
Before I continue on with the mannequin heads, I needed some old picture frames. So I went back to the thrift store because there's a workshop that I want to teach and it involves old picture frames. As you can see, I got distracted by a bunch of things along the way, but I did finally find the perfect ones. I saw something similar on Pinterest and I thought that this would be a very fun and easy workshop to teach at the store. I'm using watercolor paper. We sell these stencils on my website and I have used them in many recent videos. I'm just blending the colors together, cutting out the butterflies, layering them, and attaching them to the vintage artwork.
Now that it's over, I think I get it. That you were my drug, I was addicted. You'd raise a red flag and I'd forget it. Yeah, I'd forget it. Now that I'm sober, I don't regret it. Did it the hard way, but learned my lesson. I knew better, but I couldn't quit it. No, I couldn't quit it.
While I was out, I went back to my antique mall space to get a really good look at the overalls before I attempted to paint my own. I also found a really beautiful quilt for my bedroom. Cute. This one is an old pin cushion. She needs a top. I like how messed up her hair is. Then I got this bunny lamp. This is very old and I just love the lightly creepy look to the bunny. I need to find a lampshade and maybe put some IOD transfers on this. I got this guitar for $10. We paint the guitars, put IOD transfers on them. They always sell. We flipped several of these and $10 is a great price. And then the big project for this week are these overalls. You guys have bought so many of the overalls. I found some that don't have the bandana print on them, so I'm gonna put my flower stencil on them. Big question is, will the paint wash out? I've never done clothes where you have to actually put it in the wash. We're gonna try fabric medium. I really hope it works, and then if I put them in the washing machine and they rinse out, that will be heartbreaking. But if they don't, then that could be life-changing. I'm using a fabric medium by Golden. It's called GAC 900. The instructions say to put equal parts of fabric medium with your paint. I didn't do that because I thought the paint would get too runny. I will just tell you right now that I should have.
There must be a reason why my heart just keeps on bleeding. It feels like there's nothing I can do. I need your love here now to help me through. But
It is 7 a.m. I'm getting ready to go take my Orange Theory workout class. I stopped for almost a year because of my pinched nerve. I've been working out like a grandma, like at half speed. Been doing it for a couple weeks and I definitely feel a difference. Bobby has given me the best advice that I will never forget. He said you can do anything if you go slow. I am competitive with myself, so it's very hard to go slow, but I do not want to get hurt, so this is how I start every morning.
Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday and I am working on the edit, and I just wanted to show you how cute my babies are. I get to work from home and have my dogs just look like this all day.
Then my sister and I went to her wholesale beauty supply. I was mesmerized by all the beautiful hair color tubes and the packaging. It felt a lot like being in an art supply store. The overalls were super fun to paint and I was really happy with the results. We sell the stencils and the paint and the overalls on my website. Levi,
Levi, look.
what's up? Dad, how's the dressing room coming?
Not bad, if I say so myself.
Let's go take a look. Our new dressing room. It's looking good. Okay, Jenny is working on the guitar. What are you gonna add to it, Jenny?
I'm gonna put some transfers on it. I think some butterflies and little flowers and maybe a bee. Make it kind of fun.
Bees are good. So this is what they're looking like, and I think they look cute. I want to put like a bird coming around this way and maybe a few more branches up in here. It's really hard unless you try them on to see where the placement is. I am surprised. They're way better than I thought they would be. I'm sitting in my bibs trying to decide where to put the bird. Okay, I think I am done with the overalls. Now I have to heat set them. So everyone says that you take an iron and you put parchment paper over it, you iron it, maybe you put them in the dryer, and then will be the big test. I'll be so sad if this paint washes out because I really think they're cute. I don't even want to take them to the antique mall now because I want to keep them and wear them for myself. I think my favorite part is the butterfly and the bird, but I also kind of want to splatter them with some paint. I don't know, that might be too much work. After Bobby glued the planters to the mannequin heads, I wanted to add the new mold from IOD. It is called Verides, which I think means plants. I love using this paper clay. We sell it on our website, and we also sell the molds. The molds are a lot easier to use if you dust them with cornstarch first.
Lord, high and holy, meek and lowly, you brought me down to the valley where I live in the depths, but see you in the heights. I'm surrounded by mountains of sin. Even in the valley, shining light in my darkness. Even in the valley, shine your light. Even in the valley, shining light in my darkness. Even in the valley, shine your light. Let me learn that the way up is the way down. Let's bear the cross.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit nervous right now. I'm about to put them in the actual wash. I worked so hard on these. They look so cute that I would wear them every day. If it all washes out, I guess I can try again. Like, I can't imagine the whole thing washing out, so I just don't want to ruin them. Here goes nothing. Medium. Oh, I'm scared. It looks like it stayed. Okay, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put them in the dryer and see how they look after this. Now it's time to take all my thrift store finds and style my bedroom. I am back at the store to get the guitar that Jenny made. My dad finished the dressing room. I'll have Rosie paint it tomorrow. We just need to paint it and decorate it. Okay, here is the guitar now that I showed you earlier. Jenny did this with transfers and apothecary. There's a note here. Can this go out in the store? No, because I am gonna put it in my bedroom. Selling these overalls, these are in the black denim and they're shorts. So I thought those would be fun, and maybe I will paint these as well. Okay, that's Trisha's sister. I didn't put any molds on her. She's just hanging out on my bed waiting for Bobby to get here so he can hang her from the ceiling. She's been waiting for you.
So you like when you have to hold something. Middle of those two paintings?
Yeah, it looks so cool.
That's how far out you want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have had girlfriends like that, with that look. When they have that look, it's probably time to go.
After Bobby left, I thought about what I had done wrong with the overalls. I did not add as much fabric medium as I should have because the paint was getting runny. But when you're painting fabric, it's actually better if the paint is more watered down. So, subscribe if you want to see me try again next week.
I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. I get my beauty sleep without you.
To find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, or to find all the products used in this video, click the link below. Thanks for watching.
Pretty without you. Pretty without you.